What makes a brand well known and recognized in the continuous medical education segment? The answer is in our DNA and relentlessly motivates us day after day. Qualified people with passion in what they do and share the same ideal of building a project recognized by the contribution made in medicine and humanity. Maximum excellence in each service provided, allowing high-performance results for all those involved in the educational process. The democratization of advanced medicine teaching through technologies that allow knowledge to quickly reach everyone, didactically and with fair values. Development of an exclusive continuing medical education protocol through practical training in fresh, frozen cadavers. We believe that the current moment we live in really requires innovative and accessible attitudes. Therefore, we started as a non-profit institute. We also believe that the right way towards the future is sharing the knowledge. Therefore, we invest so much in streaming and connectivity technologies. And finally, we know that time is a scarce asset for everyone. Hence, we are setting up teaching units with cadaver labs in the main capitals of Brazil with a focus in Latin America. We invite you and your corporation to follow us into building together one of the largest continuing medical education projects in Brazil. HLA Institute. Excellence is in our DNA.